Hi everyone, and welcome to the first video tutorial that we're going to be doing on the newer version of Leia that we have built exclusively for real estate agents and brokers to use to generate leads online. For those of you who are familiar with the traditional version of Leia, much of these video tutorials will be repeat information. However, there's quite a few new tricks that we've built into this newer version that will make it hugely beneficial to your real estate business should you be interested in trying to generate leads online. So the way that Leia works, for those of you who do not know, is initially you describe the type of website that you want with your voice, or you enter some keywords, and then Leia asks you a few multiple choice questions to extract a bit more information about what we want to put in your page. In this particular case, for this version, we already know that you're looking to build a real estate website. So we just jump straight into the questions. And in this first video, we're going to walk through what these questions are and how to answer them. They're pretty self-explanatory, but let's go ahead and get started. If you do want to learn a little bit more about the real estate version, how everything works, you can click this Learn More button and go to this awesome landing page here, which talks a little bit more about, just how this entire platform is operating at this point. But let's get started. And then first choose the state in which we sell homes. So we're Vybe software based in Austin, Texas. So I'm going to go here to Texas. And then for the city, let's do Austin. And then the general area, we'll call this the greater Austin area. For a domain name, for those of you again who are familiar with Leia, this will not be new information, but when you initially publish your website, you're going to get a subdomain of co.page, and that is just to get your website set up with. It'll be the live domain name for your website. Of course, however, after you're completed with your website, you're ready to start pushing it out to clients, you can use a .com, a .net, .org, or any other custom domain that you wish. But for now, we're just going to type something random in here. Am I a brokerage or a single agent? Let's click single agent. My name is Tim Roberts. Yes, let's show some testimonials. We'll stick with 3 for now. Yes, we would like a form for people to get in touch with us. By default, the items in that form will be name, email, subject, and message. Let's say we also want people to enter their phone number, so we check that. If we had a website that we already were using, we could plug the URL of it in here. Leia would go out and try to grab some of the text from it to use in the new design. And now we're at the point where we can either continue to answer questions, or we can just say, no, build my website. For the sake of this video tutorial and keeping things a little bit shorter, I'm going to say no, build my site. However, I welcome you to click that yes, ask me more button and answer some of the questions. They're very self-explanatory. You won't need me to explain how to answer them. But we're going to click no, build my site, agree to the terms of service, check the CAPTCHA, and finish. All right, that was fast. Alrighty, so we're going to be taking through a walkthrough real quick right here. We're going to go over how to edit your real estate website in the next video tutorial, so I'm just going to skip through all this for now. The one thing that I do want to jump into, however, before we conclude this video, is this icon button down in the bottom right-hand corner. So if you just stay on this page for a little while, eventually you will get a pop-up explaining this to you, but you'll notice that during those questions that we just answered, we were never asked to create an account. And we do this because we want to get you to the magic moment of seeing this beautiful custom website with real property data, real text, real images, as soon as possible, right? With as few barriers as possible. However, now that we're looking at this page, if we want to keep this website, and obviously we can make changes to it, but if we want to keep the site itself, we're going to need to create a free account to store it. So we can do that by clicking on this account button right here. This, like I said, is a pop-up that you would get eventually had you not clicked on that button. Just explaining that you need to create an account to store your site now. So we're going to click yes, save my site. That's going to open up this page right here. You can either sign in with a one tap from Google or Facebook, or you can just enter a name, email, and password and register that way. Again, it's 100% free. Just creates a place for you to store your website, and that way you can access it from anywhere. But that's it for this video tutorial. Like I said, next video tutorial is going to go into how we can make edits to this page. So if you have any specific questions about what we just spoke about, feel free to get in touch with us at leia@vybesoftware.com, and we'll see you on the next one.